Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to access our digital English language arts textbook resources. That is our Journeys textbook. We sent a couple of the corresponding workbooks home, but in terms of accessing some of the stories and other resources that go along with that, we're actually going to be using a website we didn't really use in class much. So this is going to be a really valuable tutorial in showing you how to get to that website. It's very easy, but it's something that the students haven't really done very much before. So the way that you're going to get there is by going up into the search bar and navigating to iusd.instructure.com. And basically what it is a website called Canvas. Now, I'm going to log myself out so that you can see what the login will look like. So when you get to the login page, it's going to look just like this. Your student will log in with their username, which will be 30 last name, first name. For me, this is mine, but if I was a student in our class, it might be something like 30 Miller Kevin. It's not for me. So once your student has their username and password put in, you can click Login. It's going to bring them to a dashboard, and they're only going to see one thing on this dashboard. The one thing that they're going to see on the dashboard is a class for their teacher. So if you're in my class, it'll say second grade Miller. If you're in Mrs. Shermont's class, it'll say second grade Shermont. But it's going to vary between the different classes. But as I said, your student should only really see one class. Maybe there's a second one in there or something, but it'll say second grade, their teacher's last name, and then grade 2, 2019 to 20 year. Once they click on that, and the nice thing is once I'm here, I can kind of click on the student view. So now you'll be able to see exactly what your students will see once you get logged into Canvas. So really, really quick login. And then on all of the teacher pages, they're all going to look the same, right, when you get logged into that home page. And it's a list of IUSD digital resources. For what we're using today, it's going to be this first box up in the corner for the Journeys book. When you click on that, it's really, really nice because it has it divided by unit. And when we assign something from the Journeys book, we'll always start by saying what unit it's from and then go from there. So for example, if I was reading something from the Unit 1 section, if that's what I was assigned, I would click right there on Unit 1. And it comes up with a lot of really valuable resources at the top. You can explore some of these on your own, but it's very likely that we'll start to leverage some of these in the work that we assign because there's some great stuff there. If you scroll down a little bit, this is where you can get to some links that will provide some valuable things. If I click right here, it takes me into the student textbook. The really nice thing about that is if I'm unsure of exactly what page I should go to, when I'm assigned a story, it'll tell me exactly what page I need to be on. So once I'm in the book, I can go right up here to go to page. I can type in what I had read, hit enter, and it'll take me right there to kind of the first pages of working on this story, which happens to be Henry and Mudge. So really, really easy to figure out there. Once we assign a story, you'll know exactly where the page number is. There's also some great stuff to look at before students work on a story. This focus wall has some really valuable spelling words they can look at, high frequency words, target vocabulary words that will pop up in the story. So a lot of really great stuff on here that we'll be able to assign and pull from. But I wanted to show you all to access or how to access this new resource. So again, this is in Canvas. And while right now we're only using this for Journeys, this is going to be a great resource for us moving forward because there are other programs offered by the district that you can only really access through Canvas. So the fact that we're using it now will be a great stepping stone to allowing us to access those resources as we move forward. So give it a shot. Please let your teacher know how it went and good luck. Have a great day.